How to fix Zangi video call not connecting. Okay, so you are trying to make a Zangi video call and it's just not working. Video frozen, call won't connect. Let's run through a very simple things that might fix it. First off, is your internet connection stable? Video calls need a good connection. Are you on the Wi-Fi or the mobile data? Maybe try switching between them to see if that helps. Have you recently checked your Zangi's permission on your device? It sounds basic, but the app needs permission to access your camera and microphone. For that, go to the phone setting and make sure your Zangi is allowed to use both. For that, what you can do is you can just go to the settings and close the app section and search for the Zangi and see the permission. And another idea that you can use is if you have your app in the home screen or on the app drawer, what you have to do is simply tap on your app and that will provide you an option called app info. Simply tap on it. That will take you to the app information, and here you can see an option called permission. Simply tap on it. And over there you will see a certain options. There's notification, camera, contacts, and location, microphone, photos and videos. As the issue is with the video call, it should be something related to the camera. Let's go to the camera and you can see it is don't allow right now. Just tap on allow while you are using the app or accept every time. So just select the option that you prefer out. Another common fix is making sure the Zangi app itself is up to date. Head over to the App Store or Google Play Store and see if there's update available or not. I'm using a Google Play Store. Let's go to the Google Play Store and see if my app is updated or not. And here you can see there's option called open. That means I'm using the latest version of the Zangi. And if you saw update right over there, simply tap on update and update it. Installing the latest version can often resolve the bugs too. And sometimes the tech cliche works best. Have you tried restarting your phone or the tablet? A quick reboot can clear up your temporary glitches that are causing the video calls issue. One of these steps would helpfully get your video calls working smoothly again. Give them a shot. And lastly, if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.